Expert SEM supply chain knowledge sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called value stream mapping, or in short VSM. It is diagramming every step involved in the material and information flow needed to bring a product from order to delivery. It is a fundamental tool used in continuous improvement to identify and eliminate waste. Toyota developed this tool, which it calls the material and information flow diagram, and it is a critical part of Toyota production system. A value stream is all the action, both value creating and non-value creating, required to bring a product from raw material to the arms of the customer. Value stream mapping typically begins with the team creating current state map. This means capturing the actual condition of value streams, material and information flow. Subsequently, the team draws a future state map, that is to say a target image of how material and information should flow through the value stream. Doing this over and over is the simplest and best way to teach yourself and your colleagues to how to see the value. VSM is most commonly used in lean manufacturing. However, managers in any industry can get value from it. Characteristic of lean value stream is: number one, produce to your talk time, develop a continuous flow wherever possible. Number three, use supermarket to control production where continuous flow does not extend upstream. Number four, try to send the customer schedule only to one production process. Number five, distribute the production of different products evenly over time at the pacemaker process. Guideline 6, create an initial pull by releasing and withdrawing small consistent increment of work at pacemaker process. Thanks for watching. Bye.